Debbie here. I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing this amazing Thanksgiving wreath. It's a bubble wreath, and I have a bow that I made for the top and my diamond art that says Thanksgiving in the center, my little scarecrow. It sets it off really pretty. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing if you enjoyed the content of this video. And so let's get to the video. Next, we're going to do a bubble wreath, and it's going to take 6 things of mesh. To do, I'm going to use orange, green, and tan. I have this Thanksgiving, I have this Thanksgiving diamond art to put in the center. And I'm going to make a bow to jazz it up a little bit whenever I'm done. You're going to take your pipe cleaners and you're going to cut them into thirds. And cut your pipe cleaners into thirds. Then what we're going to do is start with 3 things of our mesh, 1 of each color. And what we're going to do is we're going to overlap it. We're going to overlap it and put all of our ends all together. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a wire tie, and we're going to secure all 3 of these to our wreath frame at one of these sections. And we're just simply going to take the wire tie and put it around all 3. Struggling just a little bit, struggling a lot. To get it the way that I want it. All right, and we're just simply going to tighten it up really tight and then cut off the excess. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make 6 bubbles for each section of our wreath frame. And we're going to do them 9 inches long. So we're going to take 9 inches, and then we're going to bubble it up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our pipe cleaner. Pipe cleaner. We're going to take our pipe cleaner and tie it around the mesh. And secure it. So that's one. So we're going to continue. 9 inches. 9 inches. Take our pipe cleaner, put it around, and secure it. That's 2. Do another one. Three. and 4. Measure 9 inches. It's a little bit hard to work with. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. 9 inches, measure 9 inches. And this will be the last one for this section. Do now is we're simply going to take each one of our sections and kind of alternate your colors and puff them out from each other, and don't do it the same way each time so that they're in different orders. So this time we might make the green go that way, and let's keep the tan in the middle and make the orange go over here. And just simply go around and puff it out in different order each time. Now we'll do the orange over here, and the tan in the middle, and the green over there, like so. And then we'll start all over with our colors so that they're all in different orders. The tan again over here, and the orange in the middle, and the green over there, and so forth. And that is one section of our wreath. We're going to do this all the way around until we're all done with the wreath, doing this part. The bubble wreath turned out really pretty, and I love my diamond art in the middle. I also put a bow on the top, and I like the colors of this wreath for Thanksgiving. It's very pretty. And it only took 3 things of mesh, not 6. So that was good. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is, again, a bubble wreath. Sometimes it's kind of hard when you have all 3 of those and you're trying to work with them. But in the end, it turns out amazing, so don't give up in the middle whenever it looks like a mess. It does turn out really gorgeous. I think it would be a nice addition to anybody's Thanksgiving. So with that, I will see you on the next video.